Hey Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 46, and we're diving into unsupervised learning with a focus on clustering. We'll cover the basics of clustering algorithms, explore k-means clustering and hierarchical clustering, and discuss how to evaluate clustering results. Let's get started. Clustering is a type of unsupervised learning where the goal is to group similar data points together. Unlike supervised learning, clustering doesn't require labeled data. It's widely used in customer segmentation, image compression, and more. Here's a simple example of how clustering can group similar data points. Let's jump into Python and implement some clustering algorithms. Two popular clustering algorithms are k-means clustering and hierarchical clustering. K-means is great for partitioning data into k-clusters, while hierarchical clustering builds a tree of clusters. Here's how you can implement these algorithms using Scikit-Learn. Let's run the script to see the output. Hierarchical clustering example. Let's run the script to see the output. Evaluating clustering results can be tricky since we don't have true labels. However, metrics like the silhouette score and inertia for k-means can help us understand the quality of our clusters. Let's see how to calculate these metrics. And that's a wrap for day 46 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we explored clustering algorithms, implemented k-means and hierarchical clustering, and discussed how to evaluate clustering results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 47. Keep coding and happy learning.